Hi everyone, my name is Courtney and welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, finance, entrepreneurship and real estate. Today I have a hot new rental for you on Churchill Avenue. The complex is called Syxx and we're going to be seeing one of the rentals on the second floor. The property is 1,330 square feet. It's 170,000 JMD per month. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and let's get straight into the tour. So the first thing I noticed upon entering was that this complex has extremely thick steel doors, which can be partly decor and also partly security. If you think about it, this is a open floor plan, meaning that everything is flowing right through the house. There's not a lot of walls. Here you have your kitchen area to the back of the apartment and also your living room area and a balcony area. Now the kitchen is pretty open concept, dark cabinets all around, and what appears to be a quartz countertop. Now as you can see, there are plenty of electrical sockets for you to plug in your appliances, and I could not help but take a look at this breathtaking ceiling. So it has extremely high ceilings, which allows the space to feel more open, more ventilated, and it also has a lot of accent lighting. The cupboard space is also pretty decent as well. They have soft closed drawers, dark handles on the cabinets, and here's a closer look at the countertop while you're at it. Here I'm just showing you the pantry space as well so that you can get a feel of how much storage you will have in your kitchen area. Now that we can have a close-up of the counter, guys, comment below if you think these are quartz countertops or Taj Mahal quartzite. I'm not really sure if it's either of both, but as you can see, it still looks really beautiful. You have a lot of windows in this apartment, which lets in a lot of natural lighting, and I like how they maintain the black frame around the windows. I think it was extremely aesthetically pleasing. As you can see, I'm out on the balcony where you have views of Kingston, trees, the nice blue sky. Here's what downstairs is looking like. So you are allotted 2 parking spaces per unit with also covered parking available. I simply just parked on the side because obviously I don't live here. Now let's take a look back inside the apartment and we're going to view the guest bathroom, or I would say the extra bathroom in the unit, and also the laundry area. Alright guys, so the laundry room is pretty spacious. You have a sink for hand washing and you have your 2 fixtures there for your washer and your dryer. You also get an overhead shelf, which I think is very good. It helps to keep you organized. And then I'm going to show you a different angle of the room so that you can understand the perimeter of the room. So that's your entrance in the distance. Not sure if you can see the steel door, and then you would head straight through your laundry room and into your guest bathroom. Now your guest bathroom is pretty good as well. You have your sink, your toilet, window for natural ventilation and lighting, and it's a decent size considering that it's a guest bathroom. So that was actually not counted in the previous bathroom number that I stated, so we can go ahead and roughly say that it has 3 bathrooms instead of 2. So here is a space up for grabs that I personally would use as a pantry space, and right across is bedroom number 1. So once you step in, you will notice how spacious and roomy the bedroom is. As I had mentioned before, the high ceilings complement that, and not to worry because each of your bedrooms do come with air conditioning as well. Now as you guys know, I'm going to turn so that you can see the angles of the room so that you can kind of picture how roomy it is. Now if it is that you want to view this property, I'm going to put the real estate agent's information on the screen and also in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Now, although this upcoming door that I'm about to show you can be a bit of a hideaway area, it's actually an escape route in the event of an emergency. And then right beside your door for your emergency exit is also your bathroom. Now, I know guys, you're wondering, why is this blue glass here? But personally, I like it. I think it gave a unique touch to the space and it gave the splash of color that was needed. I also love that it was black fixtures in the bathrooms and not stainless steel, because I tend to find a lot of stainless steel bathrooms and I think that the black fixtures were extremely unique, especially since it's a matte black color and it's not necessarily shiny. By the way guys, if you're enjoying the house tour, don't forget to join the family and subscribe and hit that like button because it really supports our channel. On to bedroom number 2. Now this is not as large as the master bedroom, but it is still equally spacious if you ask me. Similar setup with the AC unit. Your bathroom has a similar setup as well. The only difference is that this time the shower walls or the shower glass is arranged a little bit differently, and as you can see, it is clear instead of blue. Of course, it's not going to be as large as the master bathroom, but I still think it was extremely spacious. Another thing I appreciated about this second bedroom was that both bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms and both bedrooms have massive closet space. This one had too many shelves to count, and that is extremely good because that means that you will have adequate space for storage. Now, of course, living here, you will not spend every day of your life cooped up in the house. And in the event that you need to entertain, you need a massive rooftop area like the one I'm about to show you. Now guys, look how massive this roof space is. As you can see, there's lights along the walls, which at night will give a bit of an accent light touch. There is a sink to the far end for you to wash your hands in case you need to wash your hands if you're handling food or anything like that. This is the staircase that leads back downstairs. Now I'm going to show you a glimpse of the covered parking. Of course, I couldn't show all of it because there were persons parked there, and for privacy purposes I did not want to get their license plate. But here is another angle, and here is the exterior of the property. We have one last surprise for you, and it's coming up right now. Check out this private secluded pool. As you can see, it's super enclosed with a little bit of a sunroof over the seats, palm trees all around. The water was very relaxing, especially with the sound coming from the little fountain right there. And honestly guys, I would prefer this over the larger pools because in the event that I'm there with my friends, it would feel very private, very secluded. That's it for the video today, guys. Let me know your favorite parts of the tour. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.